Yeah.
Did you have a good
Still
time?
very tired.
Was it okay up in the mountains, not too cold?
Well, actually, I think it's colder in Amsterdam now than it was in the Alps, actually. But this was last week, and I think a lot of snow has been falling in the last few days, so it's getting there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some effects of climate change were...
I think they're pretty worried.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, thanks so much for coming, first and foremost. It's been a big documentary for you, for National Geographic. Can you tell us a little bit more about the mission of National Geographic, which is, of course, climate change is a huge topic for you?
Yes, it is. I think at Nat Geo we feel that if we show people the beauty of the Earth, they will take care of it in a better way. So we use our media, we are active in 172 countries, to tell these stories to people, to inspire them, and give them tools to really make a change themselves. So Before the Flood is a very good example. Like you said, it was given out for free, it was put on YouTube for free, on TV, made available to a lot of schools and colleges, where normally, we either charge money or advertising. We didn't do that, so we made a huge impact with 60 million viewers, one of the best viewed documentaries in general for Nat Geo, to tell people about what's happening and try to move them into, their own active life, so to say.
And what was the effect? I mean, for example, schools, I think it's amazing to show a documentary like this to kids.
Yes, and it still is. We still get a lot of requests like you did for tonight. I think it made a huge impact. I think we've learned that we can tell these stories in a maybe more infotaining way than some others do. And we get access to a lot of people like the Pope and like Barack Obama, which you will see in the film. Because Nat Geo still, of course, is a very reliable brand. We have the Nat Geo Society behind us. We still fund a lot of explorers who do good work, photographers or scientists, also on the topic of climate change, of course. So we get a lot of access, so we are able to tell these stories by people who really matter in this matter. Yeah.
And that's great. Of course, we're here at Fashion for Good. I think the fashion industry, textile industry is 10% of CO2 consumption. How important is this topic for you, and what kind of content are you making about that?
Well, we're not making a lot of content about fashion, I must say, at National Geographic, but sustainability.
But we will, that's your New Year's resolution.
That's what's going to happen now, I can feel it. No, I think in general sustainability is a big topic. And recently we aired a documentary which is called From Paris to Pittsburgh, which is all about the big issue which came up when Trump said he was getting out of the Paris Agreement because he was there to protect the people from Pittsburgh. And the mayor from Pittsburgh heard this and he said, oh, wait, we're not getting out, we're staying in. So these are examples of what we're doing to address the problem. Fashion with National Geographic hasn't been a topic yet, but we'll get there.
Great, I love it. There's already collaborations happening. Excellent. We worked together on Plastic Sailors, which we made together with By the Ocean We Unite, who are here tonight, and Made Production House, and National Geographic, of course. What I love about that, I think it was one of your first online documentary series. It's really about making a story small, because it's also sometimes an adventure or in this case, Plastic Sailors, we went to the Baltic Ocean with By the Oceans We Unite to really see what's happening in regards to research on microplastics at sea. I got to join them, and what I love is that you're really putting attention to what people can do, making it really practical. If we take that back to New Year's resolutions, what would the tips be that you have for the audience? Or what's your resolution?
Yes. Okay, well, there's a lot of questions there, but let me just begin with Plastic Sailors, because I was very inspired by what Carl's doing and the way he's looking at the whole, problem of plastics in the ocean. So I was very happy that we could do this series with you and with Carl, which we aired online, but maybe we'll do it on TV. It's going to Scandinavia as well, because National Geographic Scandinavia has seen it and they want it as well. So it's traveling, so that's, fantastic. Good work you're doing. I think this was all because we did the first campaign, Stop with Plastic, last June last year. And Carl was one of the guys which we interviewed at that time, so we were inspired by your story. Next year, this June, we'll be starting the second campaign on Stop Plastics. And what we've seen last year is that we had a huge impact. But the problem was to really give people tools in which they can make the change themselves. So you can call it New Year's resolution or throughout the year resolution, but we changed that now. So now we make a pledge, a plastic pledge, so to say. It's available already on netgeo.com/plasticpledge. And of course you can't always measure what people do actually in their lives, but you can measure their pledge. And we're trying to get 1 billion plastic articles less into the world this year by the plastic pledge on all these 172 countries where we're available. So I would say, in terms of New Year's resolutions, that's my New Year's resolution. On a micro level, I'm very active in my own hometown with a lot of sports clubs. So I'm talking to all the sports clubs this year to get rid of all the straws and all the plastic cups, that they use in football, for example. So that's my pledge.
Great, and I think also maybe a good tip for people who don't know a New Year's resolution to join the pledge.